This tutorial video shows how to create a detail drawing in Vertex BD. In the 3D model, zoom into the building detail for which you want to create a detail drawing, then hide the other unwanted parts in the model. You can then create a new drawing file or open any drawing template from the project document browser. In the Modeling tab under Tools, select Insert 3D View to 2D Window. Select a reference point in the 3D model, then click OK in the pop-up window. Move the 3D view to the location you want, then click the left mouse button to place it. Box select the whole 3D view, right-click and select Copy to New Window. In the new window, you can use Vertex BD drafting tools to add lines, marks, text, etc. to finalize the detailing drawing. After finishing editing the drawing, under the Drafting tab, click Details and save drawing as a detail. Then fill in the information in the pop-up window, then click OK. Choose whether you want to save the detail to the project or to the custom folder. Close the 2D drawing window. Now you can add the detail drawing to any drawing you want. In any 2D window, click Detail and Add Detail, then select the detail you just created, then click OK. Modify the scale of the detail, move it to the position you want, then left-click your mouse to place the detail. Thank you for watching this video.